everybody, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday and I just wanted to hop on here, say hello, share with me what you're working on this week. I would love to see, if you're on Facebook, share a photo in the comment section, and if you're on YouTube, leave me a comment on what you're working on. Excuse the hair, it is so warm outside. We are actually in a heat advisory, so my hair is a little frizzy. I didn't do a whole lot of makeup because I was gonna melt off, let's be real. So I'm just wanting to hop on here and say hello, and I have actually quite a bit of things I want to share with you today. So I'll get into, we're going to do an unboxing, exciting yarn, and then we're going to talk about some really exciting things coming up for YARNutopia. Well, first of all, this last week I actually shared, or was it earlier this week? My days are just meshing together. But I shared the Summer Fun sweater, and I have that here. This was so much fun to make, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We finally got in the studio and filmed something. So this is the sweater. This is using Brava yarn by WIP Crochet, aka Knit Picks. If you've heard of them, check out their website, crochet.com. Get some Brava yarn. It is so, you know, incredibly affordable. It's just really affordable yarn, and it is I used Brava and Mighty Stitch. Actually, this yellow is called Sunshine, and this is Mighty Stitch yarn. This is a little softer. The yellow in this pattern is a little bit softer than the Brava yarn, but it is super fabulous. And a lot of questions came in about this sweater. You can use any worsted weight yarn. You can use a cotton. You can use any polyester. This is a acrylic yarn that I use, so polyester acrylic yarn you can use. I called it the Summer Fun sweater because it is lacy and really loose stitching, and where I live in Wisconsin, it doesn't get literally that hot here. I'm saying it's hot out and we have a heat advisory because it's only like 80 degrees. But you could wear this in the cool evenings when it's like 60 degrees out, sitting by the campfire or whatever, going out to a nice fancy dinner. I just love how this just rests on the body, and these like ribs here make it look slimming, and the tight wrist is really cool, making this look like a bubble sleeve. So I had so much fun making this project, and I'm so glad I was able to write up the pattern and share it with all of you for free on my website. If you haven't checked this sweater out, you can make it in any size you want. It just goes off measurements. So make sure to check out the link in the description of this video for the Summer Fun sweater. That's on YARNutopia.com. Also on my YouTube, there is a tutorial for this. From start to finish, I make this exact sweater, and it's gorgeous, and it's light and flowy, and I love it. So that we finished last, I want to say it was last week, but maybe it was earlier this week. Anyway, it's out there on the internet, so check that out. Now I want to do an unboxing. I have to say a huge thank you to Love Crafts. They came through and sent me this ginormous box of yarn. I started unboxing it already, and I was like, why not do one on video? So this ginormous box in my craft room. Let's unbox. So I have this Paintbox yarns by Love Crafts. Comes out, has different types of yarn on their website. I will put a link in the description of this video if you want to check out Love Crafts. They are wonderful. Wonderful to work with, great products, and I'm excited to try out this yarn. I've never used Paintbox yarns before, and so I placed an order for some, and they came through and sent me a lot of extra, and I was like, wow, okay, cool, I'll just unbox it on here. And one thing I do want to tell you, this Paintbox yarns that they offer, so look at how bright and beautiful that is. Wow. Okay, so I got a bunch of this Paintbox yarns Aran, simply Aran. It looks like a worsted weight. I guess it's a little thicker than a worsted weight yarn. I don't know if you can see that. It'll come super close here. There it is. Da, da, da. Lovely. And this is, it says made in Turkey. Lovecrafts ink, acrylic yarn. Pick your palette. Ooh. So there's different colors, but I guess the colors are numbered and not named. So there's that. But I'll just call this a hot pink fuchsia purple. And then there's this green color. They just have such a wide variety of colors. Let me unbox this here. Ooh, this is like hot red. This looks red, almost like red or fire engine red. Look at that. Look at how bright these are. This is shocking. Cool. So this is Paintbox yarns. You can get, oh, there's black there. You can get this on Lovecrafts. It's extremely affordable. This is a very economic yarn. It is light. It is very light. This would be great for like wearables, baby clothing, baby booties. Look at that, blue baby booties. Yeah, these would be great even for amigurumi. Let's get a close-up of that one. Ooh, that's like a light baby blue. These are nice. I'm loving this. Oh my gosh. There's more of that green, more yellow. And they came in like such cute little satin type of bags. I love this. Oh, here's a lighter red. Here, two red comparisons. Look at that bright red. A little bit of subtleness in this red. Still very bright and beautiful. These are great colors. And here's one more bag in here. Oh, here, the same colors here. I think they sent me like 3 skeins of each color so I can make some fun projects. Tell me, what do you see me being made in these colors? I mean, these are just so fabulous. If you've tried Paintbox yarns, let me know what you've made with these. If you've made projects with them, how do you like the yarn? Tell me your thoughts. And yeah, they also have different types of yarn. So I got the Simply Aran type of yarn. You can see on the label here it says Simply Aran. But they also have yarns that are made from recycled cotton. So that's exciting. Also different weights of yarn they have, different types of Paintbox yarns. But this is the most common one they have, the 100% acrylic one. That's size 4 medium that I got. So let me know what your thoughts are on Paintbox yarns. Big thank you to Lovecrafts for sending this to me. I'm excited to start new projects and make something with this yarn. How cool! I just love unboxing. I love opening a package in the mail and it's just full of yarn. Woohoo! That's awesome. So that's, oh, there's another ball. There it is. Don't lose that. There we go. So that is, yeah, Paintbox yarns, Simply Aran. Check them out. Check the link in the description of this video and get some, and we can make something together soon. I'm so excited about it. So thank you. All right, on to the next topic. I wanted to chat about a big thank you to Knit Crate for sending me my monthly membership crate. This month, the patterns and everything are featuring Tony Lipsy of TL Yarns, and she's an amazing designer. And they usually have a magazine in their packages with the yarn, but this month they just had the postcard and the yarn because of the Safer at Home order. They were unable to make the magazine, but they did post it up online for us this month. But usually what you get is 2 premium balls of yarn, this postcard of the theme and a little write-up on the back, and then a magazine with the crochet and knit patterns that come for these 2 balls of yarn that you get. So I'm gonna check out what projects they have online and I'll see what, I think it's a shawl that is this month's pattern. But for the membership crate, which what I have, they have a crochet pattern for these 2 balls of yarn. They have a sock crate and an artisan crate as well, and I don't think they have crochet patterns with those, but they have knitting patterns. If you knit and can read knitting patterns, you should try out those membership crates as well. But this is called the membership crate that I have, and it comes with a crochet pattern. But look how premium this yarn is. This is a cotton, linen, nylon mix. It's so beautiful. So thanks to Knit Crate. Check them out. It's one of the best memberships of yarn memberships that I have. You get monthly yarn every month. It's awesome. So check them out. That's awesome. And the last thing, if you have $19 extra, you should check out the Summer Crochet Super Bundle. Okay, I know I've been talking about this and posting about it all week. There's only 2 days left, so you have until Friday to get this super bundle. It is 90% off, you guys. It is over $200 worth of 40 crochet patterns, plus there's bonuses, plus you can enter to win exciting things from We Crochet. We Crochet is awesome. They're the ones who I worked with to make this super fabulous sweater. They have yarn bowls, yarn bags, like project bags. They have different types of notions and exciting accessories that you can win. Check it all out. I will put the link in the description of this video. Also, if you click the special link for my link, you are not only getting the bundle when you purchase it, when you purchase, you're also supporting me and my family because it is an affiliate link, so I get a portion of the sale. It doesn't mark up the sale or price or anything that you pay. You just pay the $19 and you're just helping us out. So thank you to everyone who has purchased this so far, and thanks to you who are going to purchase it before Friday. Friday at midnight, it ends. It's finished, finito, done. So make sure you get it before Friday. And like I said, it's only $19. There's so many bonuses. There's so many things you can win. And there's like in the pattern bundle, the $19 that you pay to get this bundle, it's going to be an ebook sent to you, and then you'll get all the PDF files of I believe there's 40 crochet patterns. Just click the link, check it out, see what patterns are in there. One of my designs is in there. You'll get the PDF digital download of the written pattern, and my pattern comes with a video tutorial, but you can, some of them do have video tutorials, but not all of them. So just keep that in mind, that you would have to understand reading a crochet pattern to get this bundle. But there's cardigans, there's cowls, there's blankets, there's dresses, there's shawls, there's amigurumis. I mean, you name it, it's in that bundle. It's the best bundle of the summer. That is why it's called the Summer Crochet Super Bundle. It's so exciting and so awesome. So thank you so much for purchasing it. Like I said, it's only $19, so you can grab it. It's in the description of this video. Click the link, check out what patterns there are, and get it before Friday, because once Friday hits and at midnight, done. It's finished. It's not going to come back. So this is such a great deal. And yeah, you get entered into a giveaway too, so it's awesome also. So that's everything I wanted to talk to you about today. We have hit 15 minutes of chatting time. Please leave me comments. If you have any questions about anything I had talked about today, please leave me a comment. I will be here chatting with all of you, and I will hopefully give you more updates next Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching it all this time and sticking with me through this chat. So much is happening over here, so many great things and new projects coming your way, and I'm just yeah, happy to be back filming. That sweater was so much fun to make, and I cannot wait to make more wearables and more summer projects, more fall projects coming up, And our Halloween costumes, I have to start thinking about those. So much is happening. Okay. I've got to go crochet now. So I hope you all have a great rest of your week, a great weekend. Stay cool. I was going to say stay warm, but don't stay warm. It is so hot outside. If you need to warm up, just walk outside. It's so warm here. I'm melting. My hair is like super frizzy. All right. I'll see you next week. Happy hooking.